Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by acting immediately. Register your phone on the National Do Not Call list because it reduces legal telemarketing. Next, enable your phone's call blocking and silence unknown callers to stop interruptions. Then install a trusted spam call blocking app and grant it permissions. This filters robocalls before they reach you. Once done, log recent caller numbers and save sample voicemails. Those records matter if you need to file complaints or prove repeat harassment. Now dig into the detailed work. Report each unwanted call to your federal regulator with dates, times, and caller ID so they can investigate patterns. Make sure to contact your carrier and enable their network-level blocking and spam labeling. This stops callers before they reach your device. Keep precise records, dates, times, caller numbers, and any recordings, because regulators and carriers need that evidence to act. Also, check app settings and carrier filters regularly to fine-tune blocking sensitivity. To finish, escalate persistent harassment. Request call tracing from your carrier and consider legal options if violations continue, because escalation deters repeat offenders. Monitor call logs weekly and update your block lists, and change account privacy settings on services where your number appears. Make sure to back up your records before deleting voicemails. If things go wrong, calls still get through. Reset the blocking app, reboot the phone, and call carrier support to verify network filters are active. That troubleshooting
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.